I've always wanted to be self-employed, so after a career in IT, I bought a little rundown laundromat, and that went over so well that I decided to build a brand new state-of-the-art laundromat from scratch. I'm a firm believer in if you can't measure it, you can't manage it, and Speed Queen Insights had everything I was looking for. I can see my revenue, I can see what machines are running, any machine maintenance issues that we may have. I can see what customers have downloaded the app, what their balances are, what machines they've used. We can quickly and easily start a machine for a customer, stop a machine if necessary, and issue a refund for them if there's some sort of problem. It's just great all-in-one software. One big challenge that Speed Queen Insights has helped us overcome with our drop-off service is accountability. And with the software, I know who has started what machine and when they did it. The setup and installation was really easy. The machines come delivered, all pre-installed with what they need. There's no drilling of holes to attach anything third-party on the outside, and the support from Speed Queen has been fantastic. Speed Queen Insights brings the laundry industry to where I believe it should have been 15 years ago. And frankly, I can't imagine opening a new store without it.